Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. In today's episode, we are going to create this beautiful unicorn makeup look. So without any further delay, let's get into it. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look that I created today. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, I have a surprise for you. You can join the MyGlamm and POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link, like always, is down in the description box, so do check it out. And for more such videos, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.